November Papa. Contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5 November 576 November Papa. London Heathrow Ground November 820 Yankee India. Request taxi to parking. London Heathrow Ground X-Ray Alpha Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10 ready to taxi. November 820 Yankee India. Taxi to parking at your discretion. Taxi to parking, November 820 Yankee India. X-Ray Alpha Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10. London Heathrow Ground, Virgin 354 Heavy, ready for pushback, requesting runway 9 right. Virgin 354 Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Virgin 354 Heavy. London Heathrow Ground November 12 Alpha Bravo, ready to taxi. November 12 Alpha Bravo taxi to runway 9 right, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 9 right, November 12 Alpha Bravo. London Heathrow Ground, Virgin 354 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 9 right. Virgin 354 Heavy, taxi to runway 9 right, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 9 right, Virgin 354 Heavy. London Heathrow Ground Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, ready for pushback requesting runway 9 left. London Heathrow Ground CZ4658, ready for pushback requesting runway 9 right. Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10, disregard last message. X-ray Alpha Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10 hold short of runway 9 left. London Heathrow Tower November 12 Alpha Bravo, ready for departure at runway 9 right, departing west. November 12 Alpha Bravo line up and wait runway 9 right. Holding short runway 9 left X-ray Alpha Sierra, Delta Quebec flight of 10. Line up and wait runway 9 right, November 12 Alpha Bravo. Virgin 16 Heavy exit runway when able contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, Virgin 16 Heavy. Typhoon 693 you're in an active airspace, please contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. London Heathrow Tower Lufthansa 388 Kilo, X-ray Heavy inbound on the ILS runway 9 left. Lufthansa 388 Kilo X-ray Heavy, continue inbound. Continuing inbound Lufthansa 388 Kilo X-ray Heavy. Cleared for takeoff runway 9 right, November 12 Alpha Bravo. Typhoon 693, please wait for clearance before taking off. Virgin 354 Heavy, hold short of holding short runway 9 right, Virgin 354 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, ready for departure at runway 9 left. Virgin 354 Heavy line up, and wait runway 9 right. X-ray Alpha Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10 line up. Line up and wait runway 9 right, Virgin 354 Heavy. Air India 152 exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite traffic on base. Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, line up and wait runway 9 left. Line up and wait runway 9 left, X-ray Alpha Sierra, Delta Quebec flight of 1. Virgin 354 Heavy, wind 110 at 9 runway 9 right, cleared for takeoff. Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, wind 110 at 9 runway 9 left. Cleared for takeoff, runway 9 right, Virgin 354 Heavy. Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, request frequency change. Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie, contact Heathrow departure on 120.52. Contacting Heathrow departure on 120.52, Scandinavian 210 Sierra Charlie. Contacting Heathrow departure. Virgin 354 Heavy, contact Heathrow departure on 120.52. Cleared for takeoff runway 9 left. X-ray Alpha Sierra Delta Quebec flight of 10. Contacting Heathrow departure on 120.52, Virgin 354 Heavy.
say this to say that I'm not playing by the rules. If they were made by you, I won't break just like that. I'll make my own mistakes till I'm wrong in all the right ways. Save all your tears, you don't wanna waste them on me. I'm not gonna be just like them. This is just the way that I am. Head in the clouds, I don't know fit into the crowd. Baby, it's all making perfect sense, 'cause this is who I am, who I am.
Gonna be just like